Once upon a time, in a quaint little town nestled between rolling hills and lush green meadows, there lived two adorable children, a sweet little boy named Timmy and a charming girl named Lily. Timmy was known throughout the town for his boundless kindness and compassion, especially towards animals. From the tiniest ladybug to the largest horse, Timmy treated every creature with love and respect. His days were spent frolicking in the fields, feeding the birds, and tending to injured animals with gentle care. On the other hand, Lily, while a lovely girl in many ways, had a slightly different attitude towards animals. She didn't harbor any ill will towards them, but she simply didn't understand the joy and wonder they brought to the world. Lily preferred to spend her time indoors, lost in books and daydreams, rather than exploring nature's wonders. One sunny day, as Timmy and Lily were walking home from school together, they stumbled upon a tiny kitten mewling pitifully by the roadside. Timmy's heart melted at the sight, and without hesitation, he scooped up the kitten, cradling it in his arms. He stroked its fur gently, whispering soothing words until the kitten stopped crying. "Oh, Timmy, you're so kind!" Lily exclaimed, watching in amazement. "I wish I could be like you and have such a connection with animals." Timmy smiled warmly at Lily and extended his hand, inviting her to pet the kitten. "Here, Lily, give it a try. Animals have a special way of bringing joy and warmth into our lives." Reluctantly, Lily reached out and tentatively stroked the kitten's fur. To her surprise, she felt a rush of warmth and happiness flood her heart, and a tiny purr emanated from the kitten, as if thanking her for her touch. From that day forward, Lily began to spend more time outdoors, exploring the wonders of nature alongside Timmy. She discovered the joy of watching butterflies flutter by, the thrill of hearing birdsong in the trees, and the magic of feeling the soft fur of a friendly rabbit. As the seasons passed, Timmy and Lily's bond with each other and with the animals grew stronger than ever. They learned valuable lessons about kindness, empathy, and the importance of cherishing the world around them. And so, dear friends, the tale of Timmy and Lily reminds us all of the beauty and wonder that surrounds us every day. May we always be kind to animals and treasure the precious gifts of nature, for they are the true guardians of our hearts and souls.